Hi, I'm Karen Radowitz, owner of JK Flowers, and I'm here to show you how to make a round floral arrangement. First, you need to figure out where you're going to put the floral arrangement, so you want to know how high it's going to be. Once you've figured out that, you want to start with your greens, because your greens is always the basis of an arrangement. So I'm going to work my greens into the bottom of this fresh floral foam, which I have soaked in water for a few hours. Next, I'm going to start with my flowers, and I'm going to, at this point, pick how tall the arrangement is going to be. So you're going to start with the center, and you're going to then work your way around. You want to keep it symmetrical, so it stays in that round mode. You don't have to use the same flowers. You can alternate and just keep filling them in. Once you get your flowers in, you then can fill in with some filler flowers. And you can make this as tall, as wide, and as round as you like it to be. When it's done, it could look like something like this. Once again, I hope that was helpful. Karen Radowitz, JK Flowers.